It's funny because I even get a nude from strangers. As soon as ke tsena ka mo metsing ke tlhapa,
Yeah.
I know there's a lady be like, who, Chomi, look at that guy every single day.
Yeah.
And even beside walking out, when I open my DMs, when I open on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, when I check my things, I mean, there's no big fell if kissing a naughty or a denote more demons. I go, hi, where are you staying? Are you married? Do you have a girlfriend? So it's to look at right.
So you also get nudes, like randomly, fella. You open your DMs and wala kasha, here's the nude.
It's funny because I even get a nude from strangers. I can get a nude from somebody from Malawi.